Syncing the cuts in your video to the music beat is an awesome way to enhance the overall viewing experience and optimize the video rhythms. In this video, we'll be showing you some easy tips and ideas to make beat sync videos. If you're into this topic, keep watching. In order to make this tutorial easier to follow, we're gonna use this piece of music, which comes with only 3 chords. When editing videos, very often, we'd like to cut different video clips together, following the music beat. And this can be done easily inside VideoProc Vlogger. First, let's add 3 different pieces of videos in one music file. Drag the music file into the audio track. According to the waveform, it's easy to figure out these 3 rhythm points. We can press Shift and M to mark these points on the timeline. Then select a video clip and drag it into video track. According to these markers, use the split or ripple edit tool to trim the video to the proper length. Then take the same steps to edit the next video clip. Well, we just made it. In addition to hard cutting from one video clip to another, we can add transitions between 2 videos. This can enrich and spice up the visual content. For example, here we chose a wipe as the transition effect. Drag and drop it in between these 2 clips. Drag the ends to shorten the duration. Finally, we made this effect. In addition to cutting from one clip to the next, we can change the video speed according to the music beat. Just like what we already did, let's add a video clip to the video track. Next, drag the playhead to the position several frames ahead of the marker. Take the split tool to split it at this point, then move the playhead 2 seconds backward. Again, split at this point. Shorten the clip by using the time stretch feature. Surely, we can also navigate to the inspector panel on the right. Find the linear speed section and select the target speed. In my case, I select 8 times faster. This can also speed up the clip. After all of this, the speed of our video changes according to the music beat. We can also make our video zoom according to the music. Let's import a video into the video track. Then we can use the shortcut M to add clip markers. Afterward, let's click here to enter the motion editor. Now we can take reference to the position of the marker to adjust the size of the selection box. This can make the video zoom to the music beat. Doing jump cuts at a music beat is also a good idea. This technique is commonly used in the footage captured by fixed cameras. In VideoProc Vlogger, we just need to drag and drop the material into the video track. Then, according to the music beat, we use the split tool to split the video clip into 2 parts. and then remove the unwanted part. That's it. The above tips can help us create amusing and entertaining content. However, give caution, we should avoid overuse of these effects. We need to feel the rhythm, and based on the rhythm, use these techniques in combination to get the most out of them. In the following example, we can find the use of all mentioned 4 tricks. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!